Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are preparing for CSIR NET exam, we are launching our upcoming batch, which is a Zeta batch for CSIR June 2026 exam. So this video is going to be all about that. Let me quickly take you. So this is our website where we have our all courses. The link will be there in the description to reach out over here. All you have to do is come down a little bit, and here you see we have the next batch, which is Zeta batch for CSIR NET June 2026 exam, and this course contains lectures as well as test series. Okay, so both the things you are going to get. Price you can already see over here. This is a discounted price for the initial time. So all you have to do is click on this particular course and we will see what are the things you are going to get in this. Okay, so there are 23 modules. Modules means these are the chapters which you are going to get. So we start with mathematics, because when you are studying for physical chemistry, it is important to learn about the maths involved in that. So you have to, like, there is a class for basic mathematics needed for that, and then you will see all the chapters which are over here, like starting with solid state, kinetics, electrochemistry. Then you will see a mixed mock test. I'll tell you about that also. Then you have surface chemistry, equilibria, polymer chemistry, nuclear chemistry, chemical thermodynamics, kinetic theory, phase equilibria, statistical thermodynamics, molecular spectroscopy, grip theory, and then comes quantum chemistry. And you see, after every 3-4 topics, there is a mixed mock test. So mixed mock test includes questions from all the upper topics. Like for example, this mixed mock test will have questions from solid state, kinetics, and electro. This mixed mock test will have questions from surface, equilibria, polymer, and nuclear chemistry. And not only that, in each of these course, you will see that there is a mock test for that particular topic as well. So you have topic wise mock test, as well as you also get mixed mock test. So for all these classes, you get recorded lectures, then you get a mock test for that topic, and then you get notes for that. Okay, so whatever I write on the screen, all these notes you are going to get in the form of PDF file. Okay, so this is the whole course. And not only that, but if you come down, there is a complete physical chemistry mock test. So this mock test has questions from all the topics of physical chemistry. And then we have full length test series. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 full length test series, which are entirely dedicated based on CSIR net interface, CSIR net level of questions. And these questions are not previous year's question. Okay, like mock test will include, like, they are mixture of previous years and new questions, but these full length test, they have new questions. They are not old questions, they are not previous years question. They are here to like train you for the exam itself. Okay, and these full length mock tests will have questions from organic, inorganic, and physical, all of them. It's not going to be just physical chemistry. Coming to this course, of course, Zeta batch is only for physical chemistry. We are not bringing up organic or inorganic part of it as of now. We only have physical chemistry course. So if you want to develop your knowledge about physical chemistry, if you are preparing for exam and you think that physical chemistry needs more focus, and that you can do definitely with this Zeta batch. So this course is designed in a way that it prepares physical chemistry of yours for your CSIR NET exam. Okay, this course will be accessible till 30th of June 2026. That is tentative for now. If the exam dates shifts, we will be like changing the access date. So yes, if you buy it now, you will get access till June 30th, 2026. All right, so this is about this whole course. You can just come up to this page. Link is there in the description of this video. Like, join this up and like start your preparation for the upcoming CSIR NET exam. How to make that purchase? All you have to do is click on this buy now button, and once you click over here, you have to log in case if you have not logged in, and then you just have to make the payment. You just have to complete the payment. You can use any of these methods to make the payment. You can use UPI, you can use any card, you can even use net banking, or any method which you feel like. All right, so that's it from my side for this particular video. I just wanted to inform you all about this Zeta batch, because a lot many of you are asking me when I'm going to launch a new batch for CSIR NET exam. So here it is. Join the course, start your preparation for the exam, and all the best for your preparation. Take care. Bye bye.